You ready?
Yeah, ready?
All right, let's do this.
We have a new listing in centralized Albuquerque. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. Let's go check it out.
All right, thank you guys for coming out to Hillcrest Park Condominiums. This is a gated community with 268 living residents, and we have a condo that is on the market that we cannot wait to share with you. So let's go inside and let's see what we're looking at. See, one of the things I like about Hillcrest Park is they have these entry security doors. So you enter into the security door before you actually get to your condo, which is really kind of cool. Oh, wow. Bryan, what are we looking at, man?
Hey, this is a beautiful ground level condo. You're welcomed by an open floor plan, dining to living room. And the great thing about this condo, it is on the ground level with this beautiful, huge patio. You'll see inside the kitchen, Galloway kitchen with stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen.
One of the cool things about this condo is you have a washer in here. It's when you get to condominiums, sometimes you don't have a washer at all, but they do have the washer hookups inside of this one. Also, one of the cool things is there's a heating and cooling system in here that the owners are responsible for. Now keep in mind, the water heater is covered by your HOA dues. The heating and cooling system is owned by the owner. This has already been updated. This condominium is known not to have updated heating and cooling when you purchase a condo, but since it's already done for you, one less thing you have to worry about coming in. Bryan, what are we looking at?
Come check it out. It's a beautiful full bath and shower. You have a marble countertop for the sink. Plus, right outside the bathroom, you have this spacious linen closet.
The 2 bedrooms in this condo are actually quite large, and each of them have a walk-in closet, which is a cool opportunity. You can see, oh, hey Bryan.
Hey, this is the walk-in closet.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's go check out the other bedroom. This one also has a really large situation with the walk-in closet. Whoa, geez, you scared the heck out of me, dude.
This closet is huge.
Okay, wow. Coming out here, you have this lovely court. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's let Bryan take it from here, okay?
You have this very rare ground level patio, extra large patio with actual access to the common areas. And one of the reasons this ground level open area is so rare is because it actually opens off to the open courtyard. That gives you this huge, beautiful shaded tree, a ground for gardening, gazebo, and grill, and my favorite, the open grass area.
All right, one of the key points that we want to talk about is the clubhouse. Okay, the clubhouse, when you walk in, you have a pool table upstairs in that clubhouse, and downstairs you have a common area workout room. And then right outside the clubhouse, you have a swimming pool. That is a common area swimming pool with a hot tub. I know some of the condominium complexes in this area don't have a swimming pool, so that's really added value for the residents here.
That's really cool. Now, Joe, let me ask you, what's all included with the HOA fees?
The only utility you pay here is electric. That means your gas, your trash, your water, your clubhouse, your common area is all covered by the HOA. And of course, the HOA is going to cover any exterior of the building as well as the roofs. The only thing that you're going to be responsible for as an owner is everything inside the walls. Studs in is typically what it is on the condo.
Okay.
Yeah, and so with everything that the HOA dues cover, it's just a really cool opportunity for residents. But how about that location, man?
Dude, it's awesome. It's right off the highway, off of Montgomery and Carlisle.
Yep.
I mean, you can just hop onto I-25 and get anywhere in Albuquerque within 15 minutes.
Yep.
I know you have Top Golf right there, which everybody loves to do, a little bit of golfing.
Yep.
You have Academy, you have some grocery stores right up the street, and then you also have a high school up the street too, so I love this location.
Yeah, absolutely. That's really one of the highly sought after points in this area. Yeah, and actually I'm told that there's a lot of UNM students living here as well, because you could jump on the highway, go right up the street, and you're at UNM from the highway. So awesome, awesome location. If anyone was interested in this condo, all they got to do is call us, reach out to us, look at our online posts. We're excited for you guys to come take a look. Anytime you want to show into this condo, call us up. We're happy to come and open it for you. This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.